This is a short video of the electric transfer plate, and this is in a Vauxhall Vivaro E, which is also similar to a Peugeot Traveller and a Citroen SpaceTourer. So this is a great little adaptation for access into the car. So on this one, it's on the driver's position, and this is great because you can still utilise the car's own driver's seat, so you've not got any compromise on comfort or anything like that, which you might have with a swivel seat. So in this particular car, there isn't room to install a swivel seat on the driver's position, as far as I know. Other access aids we might do on this vehicle might be a grab handle here, or possibly an electric step to help you get in, but this particular vehicle hasn't got enough height to do that. So customers opted for this one. Electric transfer plate. There's the controller. This comes as a separate item, remote handset. So the idea is that this lowers down, and so whoever's using it put their weight onto that. That'll take 100 kilos of weight. That's 15.5 stone, and it'll take you up as high as the car's own seat, and then you can slide across into the vehicle. So we'll go nice and high and then slide across, and then you can tip that up, let it go down so that you can, it's not in the way of your elbow, and the seat belt that can drop down there. On this particular vehicle, can't drop it all the way down because it'll hit the door pocket here. So when the door closes, there's only so much space. So that'll still allow the door to shut there. And then you can close the door, get on your journey, reverse process getting out. This will also slide out of its socket. It is easy if you're not sitting in the car, and that just spigots into the attachment on the car, so that could be put out of the way for better access when you're not using it or somebody else is using the car. So that just pops into that little socket there. So just pop it in again, slot that in there, pops down, and then when you're about to leave, just fold it up, pop that on a little bit of Velcro there, and then shut your door and get on your journey. Thanks.